What's up? Welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today is Boxycharm Day. So I've been lazy and I did not do my January box, but as I was looking at them, I noticed that I have enough goodies from both boxes to do a full look today. So I thought I would double up and do a January, February Boxycharm. So yay! Let's see all the goodies I got. Okay, so I'm going to start with January, and it was breaking the ice. And so I got a pretty vulgar concealer, and I was pretty excited about this because I love to try out all different concealers, but a little bummed because obviously this is January. I've checked some of this stuff out already, and I feel it's a little too dark for me. So not totally sure, but I'm pretty positive it is a little too dark. So I'm probably just not going to test that out today. I'll probably end up experimenting and practicing and see about maybe using it as a eyeshadow holder base, but I'm not going to try that out today. And that retails for $25. And then I got the Ace eyeshadow palette, and that retails for $34.99. Really pretty colors. Excited to try out a look today. Very pretty. And then I got the Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Face. I have already tried this twice, and it's exfoliant, obviously, and my skin is super sensitive. I do love this, but it did really, I just used it the other day, and I do have little spots on my face, but they heal up pretty quick. So it is a little rough with my sensitive skin, but most exfoliants are. But so far, I'm really enjoying this. And that retailed for $28. And then I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeking Mask. That retails for $22. Now, I've been using this every night for a month, and I love it. But I don't know if it's really doing anything to change my face. I don't know if the point of it is to change your face, your skin, what, I don't know. Love the smell, love the feel as it goes all over my face. It's so smooth. You almost feel like you're not even putting any on because of the way it is. But the smell, I don't care if it doesn't do anything for my face because I just love the way it feels and I love the smell. And then I also got the Petite and Pretty Full Feathered Voluming Mascara, and that retails for $16. So I always need a good mascara. I do not have time in the morning to do lash looks that I'm still practicing with. So hopefully this will be a really good mascara to give me kind of a better lashes. So altogether, everything came to $25.99. I think I pay about $25, but I'm not totally sure. So I saved 199 cents. Can't beat that. All right, now on to February. Now with February, I don't know if this is a new thing they're starting or what, but I did not get a card in my box. And eventually I got an email with what my e-card, I think is what they called it. Don't know if that's a new thing or if they just forgot. So I had to write everything down on a piece of paper. So let's get this puppy open. Obviously I've already gotten into this too, so a lot of it's already unwrapped. So now, with this box, I was allowed to pick my one item. I went with foundation, because I am just trying to experiment with different foundations, so I was like, why not? So I got the Becca Cosmetics 24-Hour Foundation. It retails for $44. I was so nervous, because when I got the email, I believe you have like a time frame you can do it. It was at work. I felt so rushed, and I'm really bad at matching my skin. I'm not the best at it, and I always doubt myself. And I had to go onto their website. Their website's really good, though, to compare and to match up. And luckily, I think I picked pretty good. I think this will be my color match. I got it in Cassava. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but can't wait to try that out today. I can't remember if I said that's $44. And then I got the Elamar Cosmetic Duo Brush Complexion Brushes. Love the colors in these. My janky paper. Yeah, and these retail for $36, and you get a brightening brush, a bronzer brush. Excited about that one, and I'm also excited about this one, the complexion brush. And then I got the Siete London Coconut Setting Powder. Super excited about this because I've been using the NYX setting powder, and I'm really wanting to try some other stuff. And that is a coconut setting powder and retails for $22. Then I got the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiant Pads. Retails for $16. We'll just test this out right now. If I can get it out of here. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It's going to make my face red, I'm sure. Or redder, I should say. So obviously, I haven't been using these, so I don't know how well these will turn out. But I'll start using these every day, and we'll see. Feel cleaner. But that's, it helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I don't know if I look brighter, but I'm redder. Yep, so there's that. And I can't remember if I said that retails for $16. And then I got the Pure 4-in-1 Correction Primer. Excited to try this out. $17 that retails for. All right, so the total box came to $135. Saved about $110. You just can't beat that. So now we're going to try out a look. So keep on watching. Okay, guys, so I got the skin prepped, the brows done, and I got the eye primer on. Now let's try out this Pure 4-in-1 Correction Primer. Super excited. Oh, might have used a little too much. Doesn't really have a smell. Feels nice and smooth. Oh. All right, feels pretty good. Probably won't be able to tell how good it is till throughout the day, see how the foundation goes. All right, so I'm gonna let that set for a little bit, and then we'll test out the foundation. Okay, guys, so I let it sit for a little bit. It feels pretty good on the skin. So let's get into the foundation. Got my damp beauty blender. I did too bad at the color match. Pretty excited. Yay. All right, next we'll just see how this foundation works out with my concealer. I'm using the NARS in Light. going to try out one of the brushes for the contouring. And I'm going to use the complexion brush, see how that blends it out. Not too bad. All right, then I'm going to use the brightening brush. Test that out and use my NYX HD finishing powder for under my eyes. I'll just kind of brush that off some and then try out my setting powder. Whoa, it's messy. Wait, I didn't want to use that brush for that. Use the complexion brush. I guess I'll just have to see how that works out throughout the day. So it smells pretty good. Feel like coconut. Hair is driving me nuts. All right, next I'm gonna go off camera, put on the eyeliner, and then we'll do an eye look. All right, guys, ready to try out an eye look now. Super excited. So for this look, I'm gonna use my go-to It's brushes, and then a couple e.l.f. brushes, and yet again, from one of my Boxycharms. Have no idea what it's from, but this brush. So let's get right into it. So excited. I'm going to start with the blending brush. Oh, and I'm going to start with this one right there. And I'm going to just put that all over. And I'm going to pile that on real good, all the way up to the brow. I really like that. It's pretty. All right, then I'm going to take my other one. I'm going to start with mascara. I like how it turned out, but I'm not seeing on here that it says it's waterproof. I'm a waterproof mascara kind of girl, but I'm liking how it turned out. Now I'm going to move on, nose itch, and do my blush. And I'm going to try it out with this complexion brush. Oops, wrong way. It's my mirror. So far, I'm really liking it. I like the feel of it compared to my blush brush that I normally use, because I just started doing my blush more as a contouring. And this is going to make it turn out, I think, way better. God, my hair is driving me nuts today. All right, so normally for my highlighter, I usually just use my finger. But today I'm going to try out that brightening brush. I think it has some of that powder on it. And then I'll use this bronzer brush just to blend it in. It's a very firm brush. I like that too. Probably could have used that to do the blush. Nose itch. All right, now I just need to put on some lipstick and the look is complete. Be right back. All right, the look is complete. I also forgot to do the setting spray. So I'm loving how it turned out. The eye colors are definitely outside of my comfort zone. I was worried I was gonna make myself look like a clown, but I can almost wear this every day. I'm kind of digging it. It goes great with my Urban Decay glitter that I just love. I'm really loving the brushes. The lighting in here for me to do my makeup is off, so it is hard for me, so I don't know how well it turned out. But I think that my blush turns out way better. I do like doing my highlighter with my fingers. It's just faster for me and more comfortable, so I'll probably stick with that. But I still like those brushes. Mascara, I'm digging it, but it needs to be waterproof. So I don't know how often I will wear that, but I'm quite enjoying this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, could you please help a girl out and hit that subscribe button for me? And yeah, thanks for watching.